Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDIG. Windows 11.26. H2 is expected in the second half of 2026, and Microsoft is using a small enablement package. In this quick guide, I'll show you three things: whether your PC runs Windows 11.26 H2, how to install the Insider Preview early, and what new features and changes you can expect. Part 1. Can your PC run Windows 11.26 H2? Since Windows 11.26 H2 shares the same servicing branch as Windows 11.25 H2, the system requirements are expected to stay close to the current Windows 11 requirements. In general, your PC should have a compatible 64-bit processor, at least 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, UEFI with secure boot, TPM 2.0, DirectX 12 compatible graphics, and a 720p display or higher. If checking these manually feels confusing, you can use 4DDIG Partition Manager. It can scan your PC and check key Windows 11 upgrade requirements, including CPU TPM 2.0, secure boot, memory, and available storage space. To use it, open 4DDIG Partition Manager. Go to Windows Download and Upgrade, then choose Windows 11 Upgrade. After the scan, you can see which requirements your PC has passed and which items may need attention. Part 2. How to install Windows 11.26 H2 early. There are two official ways to try Windows 11.26 H2 early. For most users, I recommend the first method. Before you begin, please remember this is still a test build, so don't install it on your main work computer. Also, back up your important files first. You can use 4DDIG Partition Manager to back up files, partitions, or even clone your system disk before upgrading. This gives you a safer backup option in case the preview build causes boot issues, crashes, or data loss. Method 1. Windows Update and Windows Insider Program. By participating in the Windows Insider Program, you can try preview builds ahead of the public release. Next, open Settings, then go to Windows Update and click Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started and link your Microsoft account. When you reach the Insider Channel selection screen, the option you see may be different depending on your PC. If you see the new preview interface, select Experimental. If you see the older interface, select Dev Channel. During Microsoft's transition, both options can lead to the Windows 11.26 H2 preview path. Once done, restart your PC, then go back to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. When the Windows 11 Insider Preview build appears, download and install it. After installation, restart your computer. The second method is using Microsoft's official Windows Insider Preview, ISO. This method is better for advanced users, virtual machines, clean installs, or users who need an ISO file. Go to Microsoft's official Windows Insider Preview ISO download page and sign in with your Microsoft Insider account. Scroll down to Select Edition and open the drop-down menu. Although the download page indicates 25H2, the system will actually upgrade to Windows 11.26 H2 after installation is complete. Next, select your language, click Confirm, and download the 64-bit ISO. After downloading the ISO, you have two choices. If you want to upgrade your current PC, open the ISO, run setup.exe, and choose Keep Personal Files and Apps. If you want a clean install, create a bootable USB. Prepare a USB drive with at least 16 GB of space. Back up anything important on the USB because it will be erased. Open Rufus from the official website. Select your USB drive, choose the Windows 11 Insider Preview ISO, and keep the default GPT and UEFI settings, and click Start. Once the USB is ready, boot your PC from the USB drive and follow the Windows setup screen. Part 3, right? Windows 11.26 H2 New Features and Changes. Since 26 H2 is still in preview, the final feature list may change before the public release. But based on current Insider builds, here are some of the key changes. This release not only introduces a brand new desktop interaction experience, but also further optimizes the Start menu, Windows search, AI integration, and the system update mechanism. It can be considered one of the most significant Windows 11 updates in recent years.